Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White, that when Christ appears we shall be like him. January 3rd. Beloved, now we are sons of God, and it doth not yet appear what we shall be, but we know that when he shall appear we shall be like him, for we shall see him as he is. 1 John chapter 3, verse 2. We are not to settle down expecting that a change of character will come to us by some miraculous work, when Christ shall appear in the clouds of heaven with power and great glory. No, my young friends, we are judgment bound, and probation is granted to us here in this life, in order that we may form characters for the future immortal life. Let none imagine that selfishness, self-esteem, and self-indulgence are compatible with the Spirit of Christ. Upon every truly converted man or woman there rests a responsibility that we cannot rightly estimate. The maxims and ways of the world are not to be adopted by the sons and daughters of the Heavenly King. In separating from the world, we shall encounter difficulties on every hand, but here is comfort for us. Beloved, now we are sons of God, and it doth not yet appear what we shall be, but we know that when he shall appear we shall be like him, for we shall see him as he is. We should show by our words and our works that we recognize the great responsibility laid upon us. Our light should shine so clearly that others can see that we glorify the Father in our daily lives, that we are connected with heaven and are joint heirs with Jesus Christ. To have fellowship with the Father and his Son Jesus Christ is to be ennobled and elevated and made a partaker of the joys unspeakable and full of glory. Food, clothing, station, and wealth may have their value, but to have a connection with God is of priceless value. And although it doth not yet appear what we shall be, when Christ, who is our life, shall appear, we shall be like him. This is your daily devotional, Sons and Daughters of God. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.